A warm blanket on a cold winter night can make even the humblest bedroom a luxurious place to rest. The material that went into your blankets can mean the difference between shivering and snuggling. Blankets versus quilts. Blankets and quilts serve the same purpose but are of different construction. A blanket is generally a single layer of fabric, often natural fiber such as wool or bamboo, or a poly product such as fleece. A quilt is a multi-layer blanket that includes a bottom layer, usually cotton or another sheeting material, the fill, which can be poly, cotton, or a down product, and a top layer of sheeting. Some cover their quilts in a duvet, which is generally also made of sheeting material. Material number 1, wool. Wool blankets are woven of natural fibers sheared from sheep. Wool contains lanolin, which can cause an allergic reaction in some users. Wool is a great option in homes with wood-burning heat, as this heat is high in moisture and wool repels moisture. Even wet, wool can help you stay warm. Wool comes in different weights and thicknesses. If you're interested in the feel of a weighted blanket, you can cover your regular blankets with a wool blanket. Material number 2, fleece. A fleece throw or blanket will warm you wherever it touches your skin. The polyester construction of fleece is built to trap air. As your body warms up, your fleece blanket will return that heat to you. Fleece comes in different types, from a sweatshirt to something approaching fur. Material number 3, quilts. Quilts come in different types of materials and many have special cleaning requirements. Cotton quilts will retain moisture and aren't ideal for winter, while a poly quilt will repel moisture and be simpler to clean. These types of blankets also serve as bedspreads as well. Check the tags before you wash any quilt for special instructions. Number 4, bamboo. If you like a fuzzy, soft blanket, you can't beat bamboo. Not only is this fiber extremely durable, but it is renewable. Fans of green living will love the feel of bamboo fiber blankets and other bedding types. This fabric is not only warm, but extremely easy to care for. Just wash your bamboo winter blankets in cold water and dry them on a medium heat. Material number 5, SHERPA. SHERPA fleece is generally a polyester product and is often paired with a fleece backing for softness. While SHERPA types of material can be a bit bumpy, they are easily smoothed by a winter flannel or fleece top sheet. A combination of SHERPA fleece and a soft, fluffy fleece blanket is an ideal way to trap heat close to your body and keep it there. You can increase the warmth-trapping ability of winter blankets by covering them in a tightly woven wool blanket.